All right. In this lecture, we're going to go over using Google Gemini and a few examples on our social media posts. Okay, so our first example is going to be a Facebook post, and this is going to be about a live recap about what's recently been going on in your life. So in this one, we're going to say, I want to make a life update post for Facebook and share what I've been up to. I met a girl at work. We moved in together. And we've been traveling all over the world together. Write this in a happy tonality and throw in some jokes in there. We'll send that. As you can see, it's given us a few options here. So we got short and sweet, a bit more detail, and we got the humble brag. All right, and next we're going to go into bulk writing social media posts. So what we're going to do is we're going to prompt Google Gemini to write us 10 Twitter posts on the future of AI in the voice of an artificial intelligence expert. And notice how I put it in the voice of an artificial intelligence expert. So with whatever you want, you can have it put it in that type of voice. So we're going to go ahead and send that. All right, so it's given us our 10 Twitter posts. Wow, and it actually gave us some hashtags to go with it as well. And again, you can go through here and change it however you'd like. You can change uh, AI to artificial intelligence or however you want to do this. All right, in this last example, we're going to have Google Gemini help us with an Instagram post. So we're going to say, I'm an AI enthusiast and instructor. List 10 positive quotes about AI that I could post on Instagram. Right, so we're going to go ahead and put this into Google Gemini and send it. All right. Oh, so I guess it didn't take this one because it says AI instead of artificial intelligence, maybe. Let's try maybe changing the drafts. All right, didn't like that. Let's try changing AI to artificial intelligence. Or let's just take out the positive. All right, there we go. It didn't like that one either. All right, let's try a different one. Okay. So let's say I'm a motivational speaker. And let's list 10 positive quotes or 10 positive motivational quotes that I can post on my Instagram. Send that. And there you have it. There's our 10 positive motivational quotes from Google Gemini.